Tired of manually juggling Google Ads data and feeling like your marketing workflow is stuck in the Stone Age? Well, get ready to transform your advertising game, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Zapier and automate your marketing tasks. First, log into your Zapier account, or create one if you haven't already. Now, click on the Create Zap button. Choose Google Ads as your trigger app by typing it into the search bar and selecting it. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. For example, let's select new lead form submission if you want to automate lead capture. Now, connect your Google Ads account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to grant Zapier access to your Google Ads data. Make sure you choose the correct Google Ads account if you have multiple ones. Great! Let's move on to the action step. Search for the app you want to connect Google Ads with, such as Google Sheets for reporting, or your CRM for lead management. Let's select Google Sheets then. Choose an action event, for instance, create spreadsheet grow, so every new lead automatically populates in your sheet. Now, the fun part, connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet where you want your data. You will then map the data from your Google Ads trigger to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This is where you tell Zapier exactly which information goes where. Before you activate your Zap, test it to make sure everything is working correctly. This is a crucial step to catch any errors and ensure your data is flowing smoothly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the test results, turn on your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Ads to Zapier. You've now automated a key part of your marketing workflow, freeing up time to focus on strategy and driving even better results. Be sure to like and subscribe for more automation tips.